students, how are you all? So students, we will discuss in this video about genetics. Genetics is a very big chapter. Startingly we will discuss some introduction, some basic fundamental things of genetics. Before going to deep in the chapter, startingly we must understand about the biologist, who is the father of genetics, scientist, one of the great mathematician. Okay, so his name is Gregor Johann Mendel. Always you must remember Gregor Johann Mendel, yeah, shortly Mendel, is known as the father of genetics. Yes or no? Mendel is called as father of genetics. Understood or not? What is genetics? What is the meaning of heredity? What is the meaning of inheritance? What is the meaning of acquired? Each and every kinds of things I will tell you in my next video, but shortly you must understand all such kinds of things whatever I am just saying you. Gregor Johann Mendel is known as the father of genetics. Understood or not? He was born on 22nd July in the year 1822. This is the date of birth. He was born on 22nd July 1822. Understood or not? He had conducted his experiment on Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum is the scientific name of garden pea. Understood or not? Garden pea. Pisum sativum is the scientific name of garden pea. He had continued his experiment for 6 years. Continuously. 6 years. 6 years continuously experiment was being done by Mendel sir on the plant Pisum sativum, which is called pea plant. This is his date of birth. Understood or not? And the point is that in the year 1884, he died. In the year 1884 he died, but the most unfortunate thing is that he was not recognized till his death period about his contribution in biology sector. Understood or not? What kind of experiment was there being conducted by him? All such kinds of contributions, all such kinds of achievements were not recognized by anybody. Yeah, that time that society was not giving any kinds of preference to Mendel's all such kinds of experiments on Pisum sativum. Understood or not? Even after 16 years, till after 16 years, his death, his work was not recognized by anybody. Fortunately, three scientists. Who are they? Their names are Hugo de Vries, Correns, Shermark. They are the scientists. They rediscovered the experiment done by Mendelji. Yes or no? In his time period. Again, such kinds of experiment, again it was there being analyzed by these three scientists after the 16 years, after 16 years of his death. Understood or not? And then after that, due to their rediscovery of that experiment, Mendel sir absolutely got that kind of credit. Yes or no? Then after that, such kinds of recognition, understood or not? It was there available. It was there found to Mendelji. Then after that, Mendelji, what they are absolutely called as the father of genetics. Until now, is also called Mendel sir is called the father of genetics. Understood or not? Gregor Johann Mendel को genetics ର father कुहा जाए. तांकर date of birth होची 22nd July 1822. से को गछ ऊपर experiment କରିଥିଲେ garden pea माने मटर. Yes or no? मटर scientific name होची Pisum sativum. तांकर death 1884 मसिहा. 16 वर्ष पर्यंत तांकु सेपरी किछि लोक चिन्हि नथिले. तांकर एक्सपेरिमेंट को सेतिकी जेतिकी दबा कथा व्हाट क्रेडिट दबा कथा. अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? आइडेंटिफिकेशन रिकॉग्निशन मिलिबा कथा किछि मिलि नथिला. एई तीन जण साइंटिस्ट ह्यूगो डी व्राइस, कॉरेंस और शर्मार्क, एई तीन जण साइंटिस्ट कोन कले से ग्रेगर जॉन मेंडेल को एक्सपेरिमेंट को पुनर्बार से माने विचार कले, पुनर्बार एक्सपेरिमेंट कले, पुनर्बार सेटा को एनालिसिस कले. तापर जायकी तांको काम को विश्व समग्र विश्व रे गोटे स्थान मिलथिला ग्रेगर जॉन मेंडल कर से जो हमर एक्सपेरिमेंट को गोटे मोनो हाइब्रिड क्रॉस डाई हाइब्रिड क्रॉस केते कोन एक्सपेरिमेंट से करथिले से एक्सपेरिमेंट को गोटे क्रेडिट मिलथिला तापर जायकी ग्रेगर जॉन मेंडल कर से काम को समस्ते प्रशंसा करथिले अंडरस्टूड और नॉट सो दिस इज द मैटर सो व्हाट वर द रीजंस actually for not getting such kinds of recognition understood or not the first point was that Gregor Johann Mendel was not biologist. Gregor Johann Mendel was a mathematician. He belonged from mathematics field. He was not biologist. But the point is that being the mathematics, another thing is that he was doing the job as priest in one church. Understood or not? And in that church premises, so many kinds of garden peas are there. Yes or no? And he had kept all such kinds of interests to know about the inheritance traits. What kind of character absolutely passing from one generation to another generation, from that generation to next generation. For getting to know such kinds of your what? Curiosity. That why character absolutely passing, how characters passing from one generation to another generation, and what are the variations, each and every kinds of things absolutely he tried to find out. Understood or not? He belonged from mathematics field. In spite of mathematics field, he absolutely kept his interest in biology sector. He is the first biologist who introduced mathematics in biology. Understood or not? He introduced mathematics in biology. He had introduced mathematics, except mathematics, statistics also in biology. Yes or no? That is the point. So first point is that I am just erasing this one. Understood or not? So reasons. What were the reasons? Understood or not? Listen. Reasons for not what? Recognition. Yes or no? Reasons for not recognition. The first point is that he was not biologist. He was not biologist. He was not biologist. It means he was mathematician. That's why biologists absolutely did not accept his experiment, did not accept his theory, did not accept his contribution. Biologists absolutely, in that time period, biologists absolutely avoided him, ignored him experiment. That's why. Yes or no? That is the point. This is called the biologist. Yes or no? He was the biologist. He was not the biologist. Okay. Second point is called that at that time period publicity was not there made. Yes or no? He had not got such kinds of publicity. Yes or no? Publicity was not made there. Yes or no? It was needed that much of publicity for the spreading of such kinds of experiment. Okay, worldwide publicity was not there available. Yes or no? International publicity. So we can write here publicity. Yes or no? Publicity. Yeah, you can say that what? It was not published properly. It was not published properly. Worldwide it was not published properly. Yes or no? Only some local journals at that time period, only some local journals in some limited area, they absolutely published that news, but it was not spreaded all over the world. Yes or no? That was the main point. That was not being that type of your what? Publications. And the third point is that factor. Factor means what? Gene. Factor. This is called factor. Okay. Factor means gene. Right now factor means gene. But at that time period, Gregor Johann Mendel had used that factor word. Understood or not? Gregor Johann Mendel was using factor word. Factor means right now that is called the gene. Understood or not? Gene was coined by, about Johansson. Understood? So factor one, discrete word. Discrete word means at that time period, whatever factor word was used by Gregor Johann Mendel, The rest of all the scientists, rest of all the people, they absolutely could not understand properly that what is the meaning of factor and what is the it means what basic responsibility of factor, that being what carrying different kinds of characters from one generation to another generation. Gregor Johann Mendel tried to explain that clearly, but none of the people of that time period, they could not understand properly. Yes or no? So these are the different kinds of reasons for not getting that kind of your what recognition, okay, of Mendel's theory at that time period. But after that, Mendel absolutely got that success. Yes or no? After the rediscovery of such three scientists, Hugo de Vries, Correns and Sermark. Understood? We will discuss also reasons for success. Yes or no? Reasons for success. Why he absolutely succeed? First point is that he absolutely took 7 contrasting characters. Understood or not? 7 contrasting characters, we will discuss about that. Understood or not? He selected 7 contrasting characters. 7 contrasting characters. 7 contrasting characters. What is the meaning of contrasting character? I will tell you after that some period. Contrasting character means some plants were that tall, some plants were that dwarf. This is called the contrasting character. Yes or no? And he had taken such types of 7 contrasting characters. Yes or no? And whatever types of experiments were there being conducted by him, all such kinds of experiments and their results absolutely being done by him very nicely. Yes or no? The data analysis, large sample. Second point is that large sample, you can write here, large sample taken by him. Large sample taken by him. Large sample, very vast sample, not only 10 or 20 plants or 30 plants. Yes or no? That experiment was there being done by him on the large basis. Yes or no? Huge number of plants were there being experimented at that time period. Yes or no? By him, Mendel. Understood? Then third point is that, third point is what? Third point is that correct and nice data analysis. Correct and nice data analysis. Data analysis means, it means after the experiment. Yes or no? After the experiment done by him, whatever result it came at that time period, okay, and that data, yes or no, that data, it was being absolutely calculated. Understood or not? It was absolutely what? Calculated, estimated by him very nicely. Yes or no? Correct data analysis. Understood? And lastly, the point is that, another point, what kind of 7 contrasting characters were there taken? Yes or no? There was not mentioning any kinds of linkage genes. Okay, no use of linkage. No use of linkage gene. Yes or no? No linked genes were there found at that time, and it was not mentioned by Mendel also. Understood? So this is the point. These are the different reasons for getting that kind of success. Yes or no? Next point we will discuss about right now, that why Gregor Johann Mendel selected pea plant, okay, for his experiment. Yes or no? Point number thing is that for taking that pea plant, yes or no? Point number thing is that what? Pea plant's life cycle is very small, very short life period. What? Very short life period? Only 3 to 4 weeks. 3 to 4 weeks. Yes or no? This is the life period of pea plant. Yeah, you can say that Pisum sativum, whatever you are saying. Yes or no? This word, Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum, this plant's lifespan is very small. Yes or no? That's why in the limited lifespan period, Mendel could do that experiment very properly, very well. Even after the generation after generation, he can do that experiment. Yes or no? Very well. He did not wait absolutely what? For long time period for that experiment. Yes or no? So that lifespan is very short. That's why that conductance of that experiment, it can be very easily, it can be conducted. Yes or no? Within very short time period. Yes or no? It does not need to wait for a long time period. Yes or no? Lifespan is very short. That's why this is one positive point. 3 to 4 weeks. Lifespan is very short. Second point is that cross and self fertilization? Yes or no? Cross and self fertilization. In that plant, that fertilization can be happened in two ways. Self fertilization can be happened, cross fertilization can be happened. It is only happened in case of that pea plant. That's why that experiment it will be happened that very easily. Yes or no? That's why he selected the pea plant. Third point is that after these 2 points, third point is that what? Different kinds of contrasting characters it was there found in the pea plant. Contrasting characters. Yes or no? Contrasting characters. Different types of contrasting characters. And 7 such contrasting characters were then taken by him. Yes or no? Pea plant, in case of that plant, different kinds of contrasting characters are there. Yes or no? Not only one kind of character. I will say you what kinds of characters. Suppose this one is the character, okay. This one is the character. Startingly we will see that height. Height, yes or no? Then flower position. Yes or no? Flower position. Then flower color. Understood or not? Then pod shape. Then pod color. Understood or not? Then after that what? Seed color. Seed color. Then seed shape. 7 contrasting characters. Yes or no? These are the characters. And what are the dominant and recessive traits? You just listen about this. Height. It may be tall. It may be dwarf. Yes or no? Flower position. It may be in the axillary. Yes or no? It may be in the terminal. Understood or not? It may be flower color is what? It may be purple. It may be white. Understood or not? It may be purple. It may be white. Pod shape. It may be inflated. It may be restricted. Yes or no? Then pod color. Pod color is what? It may be green. It may be yellow. Understood or not? Then seed color. Seed color is what? Seed color it may be yellow. It may be green. Understood or not? Then seed shape. Seed shape is what? It may be round. It may be wrinkled. These are different kinds of traits. Yes or no? Tall means pea plants. Some of the pea plants are found in the tall manner. Some of the pea plants are found in the dwarf manner. Then axillary and terminal. Whatever flower position is there in that plant, inflorescence that position. That axillary and terminal means what? Suppose this is known as the stem portion. Suppose here there will be the flower. These are the leaves. Yes or no? This is called the terminal. Understood or not? And if instead of being here the flower, suppose here will be the flower. Yes or no? Here will be the flower. This is called the axillary. If flower, it will be blossomed at the top portion of that point, that is called the terminal. If side portions flowers will be found there, that is called the axillary. Yes or no? Then purple. Flower's color may be purple, may be white. Yes or no? Pod shape. Pod means what? Pod means this one. Yes or no? Pod means this shape and size is called the pod. Yes or no? What is that? This one. This one. This simple shape is known as the inflated. But this type of pod shape and size is called the restricted. This one is the restricted. This one is the inflated. Yes or no? Pod color also it may be green color. It may be yellow color. Then seed color yellow wrinkled and seed shape is round. Yeah. Sorry. Seed color is yellow and green. Yellow or maybe green. Seed shape is round or maybe wrinkled. Round means rounded. Wrinkled means not rounded. Yes or no? So these are different kinds of your contrasting characters were that taken by Mendel, and all such kinds of characters were that found in the pea plant. So it was there absolutely benefited for the Mendel that to be taken that plant for each experiment. So in spite of all these things, okay, and 2 other characters also they are found in the pea plant. that the seeds of pea plant do not show any kinds of dormancy. Yes or no? Dormancy. Dormancy means what? Dormancy. Pea plant was not showing any kinds of dormancy. Pea plants do not show any kinds of dormancy. Dormancy means even after the coming of favorable season. Yes or no? Whenever that seed should be germinated. Yes or no? If it will not be germinated, then that is called the dormancy. Yes or no? If the seed will not be germinated even after the coming of that favorable season, that is called dormancy stage of that seed. Yes or no? So what you have to do? You have two options. Either you have to break that dormancy, or you have to do what? You have to wait for until to come that favorable season. Yeah, any next some few days that it will be germinated. Yes or no? You have two options. But such kinds of problems it will not be found there in pea plant. Yes or no? Then in last point, in the 5 point, that it absolutely produced so number of seeds. Yes or no? Excessive seeds. Excessive seeds means what? So many seeds. You can write here so many seeds. It absolutely produced so many seeds. Yes or no? In that pea plant. So due to having all these kinds of characters, all these kinds of positivenesses, in case of that pea plant, that kind of pea was there absolutely what? Favorite for the Mendel, that to get to know about that genetics, heredity, principles of inheritance, each and every kinds of what points. Understood or not? So in this lecture we will discuss that. I try to explain you that what things. Little bit I told you about the Gregor Johann Mendel's story. Yes or no? Why he absolutely was not recognized at that time period due to what kinds of problems. Understood? Then after that, why he did absolutely succeed. He succeeded about his experiment after 16 years also, even if. Yes or no? Then ultimately I told you that why pea plant was there selected by him due to these characters. Yes or no? And what are the contrasting characters taken by him? All these 7 types of contrasting characters you must remember. Height, flower position, flower color, pod shape, seed color, seed shape. These kinds of traits you have to remember. Yes or no? It's not compulsory that to anybody will ask you that the dominant character, recessive character. You must remember that two types of different contrasting characters. It is found there in that plant. Yes or no? So this is the point. In the next video, I will tell you that so many kinds of sorts of terms are there regarding this topic, so that it will be benefited. It will be plus point for you that to get understand properly. Understood or not? Thank you.